Stressing about hospital expenses? Get it out of your system with CarePayment. Our patient financing program offers affordable payment plans at 0% APR that doesn't affect your credit score. Here's how it works. First, your provider has to partner with CarePayment. The program is 100% sponsored by the provider and is free for you to use. Next, you can request or be referred to CarePayment. There are several methods to join. Simply inform your provider you are interested and verify your identity. Then, all program details will be provided in your welcome kit, sent via email or direct mail. Enrolling in CarePayment is easy. You just make your first payment. Finally, begin paying off your balance through automatic or one-time payments using several payment methods. Also, patients can use CarePayment to pay for and receive additional care at their healthcare provider, as long as the provider remains in the healthcare system that is partnered with us. Don't let finances hold you back from taking care of your health. Your future self will thank you.